Nĩ gĩkundi kĩa Elimu Bora Foundation kĩrĩa kĩyumĩrĩtie gũkũmithia komishoni ya kwandĩka arutani TSC hamwe na amwe a ateti nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte nĩ ungumania mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kwandĩka arutani thutha wa ndeto kumbũka atĩ kũrĩ na arĩa makoretwo makĩendia marũa ma kwandĩka arutani.
We are expressing deep concern over mounting revelations regarding the distributions of teachers, service commissions, employment letters through the political offices and state house, raising questions about transparency and accountability in Kenya's education sector.
Oho nĩ morĩtie komishoni ya TSC ĩkũthuthuria baranginyo ya mĩhang'o ya ũrĩa mandĩkaga arutani.
Among the key questions that the audit must address are the following. 1. The total number of teachers recruited and employed by TSC over the period in question. 2. The names of those recruited with all personal information protected as required by law, their qualifications and graduation years, and the counties, constituencies, and schools to which they were posted. Number 3, the number of vacancies declared across the country, the criteria used to select successful candidates, and whether the distribution of opportunities matched actual teacher shortages and staffing needs.
Nĩ matarĩirie mĩtaratara ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire kũrũmĩrĩrwo rĩrĩa arutani marandĩkwo nĩguo gũkinyanĩria kĩhoto kũrĩ arutani othe.
TSC has a recruitment system that allocates opportunities based on teachers' qualifications, graduation timelines, existing vacancies, and staffing needs of individual schools and regions. Such systems are crucial because some communities, especially those in the marginalized areas and hardship areas, continue to experience severe teacher shortages.
TSC has clear criteria of recruiting teachers in a way that is transparent and can be seen to be adhering to principles of equity. Those who have graduated much earlier get opportunities.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Erastus Ngigi.